Hi there, and welcome to this new DIY video. Today I want to talk about some very smart tips. How to make some marks that wouldn't ever just come off out of steel using those pencils. Well, we're just gonna use a lump like this one, and of course, a standard socket, and a pencil, and we're just gonna use a cable of the 220 AC that you can actually just use in any ordinary standard device. And now I'm all about just to connect this socket to that wire. Okay, just trying to just screw these two parts of wire right to the socket, and we're just gonna secure it with the cover. There you go. And of course, for more protection, we're just gonna use this pen cover just to cover the top of our pencil, just for more protection. And now, I'm all about just to connect this wire right to the uncovered part of the lead and trying to tighten it right, just like this. Here is the connection that we actually just made. And now bring in the 220 AC and trying just to join the socket with the cable of the AC that it's actually just going to be connected to the tension, just like this, and join the other right to the place and just give it a right tight, just like this much. And we bring in a terminal like that, securing the attachment of the terminal and covering the uncovered parts. And here you go, we just got the finishing project, all about just to be ready. And now, just trying to connect the lump, wearing out some gloves for more safety. Okay, after just wearing out some safety with gloves, just bring in, you can see that blade, it's clean, it's fully clean. We're just gonna try just to make some marks here that would never just come off. Okay, connecting with the 220 DC, connecting the terminal to the blade, and we're just gonna try just to give it some power. There we go. Now we're just gonna try just to discover if our thing is actually working in the right proper way. There you go. Our marks, it's all about just to be ready. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our letter E. It's actually standing right there, and it would never just come off. Well, the whole operation is actually with the lead of all that much of arcs. You can all see, it's much easy just to make some very DIY projects. Ladies and gentlemen, that was another DIY video. Thank you so much for you watching, and I'll see you in another video.